I'm a proud WOW teacher, first of all. Happy to handle WOW. When I was handling fourth standard session, we had a workbook exercise wherein we have to be polite. Different situations were given to the students wherein harsh situations were given, and for which the child should write a positive. How will he be handling that particular situation? Wherein I was very particularly specifically mentioning that never choose a negative emotion. Remember, wow always insist on positive emotion, and this was instructed at the beginning of the class. And while the end of the class, the situation was like, if a child keeps sitting next to you and keep disturbing you, how will you be handling that situation? Was one part wherein the child, one student raised up and he asked me, can I write the answer as I will beat him back? Okay, like that he asked me. Before even I responded for that particular question, all the students in the class shouted, see, wow is a positive emotion, you can never write a negative emotion there, always write only positive emotion, you are not supposed to do that.
There was one particular child who said, I hate this teacher a lot, should I write it, will you correct it? Like that he asked me, and I said, no, I'm not going to correct it, you just write it. And the very next thing was, you have to write 20 reasons why you are happy about the same person.
Absolutely.
And he said, no, ma'am, I don't find even one single reason to appreciate her. And I said, okay, then leave that page empty. Probably you'll find it in the upcoming days. Anyways, that teacher is going to come to the class again and again. So, let's see, all through this year also, if you cannot find one single reason, then we'll think about it. The very next session, the next week I went, the child was really jumping with joy and he said, ma'am, I found 5 reasons.
Really, I am feeling very proud to be a WOW teacher. And not only students, even I have been inspired by all teaching the moral values. Really, I've been inspired and I really enjoy out of the syllabus. I enjoy taking WOW. So any teacher can see me smiling face when I come out of the WOW sessions.
Recently, last week, we used to handle 3rd, 4th and 5th standard students. Especially in 5th standard, the children will not cooperate with each other, nor they adjust with each other. I did one lesson this time that is about to use the dictionary and find as many words as possible. So I gave just one dictionary divided the class into 3 groups and gave one dictionary to each group and asked them to adjust. Pin drop silence was there and they were able to take their turns and wait for others and discuss. It was really good. I've taken the pictures about it.
Actually, ma'am, when we take the WOW session, I'm not burdened. I am like, okay, today is WOW, it will be a WOW session and my children are chanting and they're singing WOW chant and they're dancing on it. I am WOW. So it is like I am learning from them. I have just taught them the WOW chant. Now I am learning the actions from them. I am WOW, and also it feels like I am also going to dance in the class along with the children.
I am taking WOW session for grade 3rd. There the students earlier were like so much scared, ma'am, beginning, middle, ending, what we will write, and that 4, 5 lines given, we will end up in beginning only, then what we will write. And some grammar part also. But then when we discussed, everyone came up with their ideas. The ones who were finding it difficult to write, now they also got that confidence, okay, we are having so many ideas. So even their brain started working. Ma'am, I can also write like this. Instead of angel, can I take Doraemon? Instead of this, can I write about a superhero? Can I write about my dad?
Wow, wonderful.
What is negative, what is positive in them. So they understood. 9th standard students, they understood really. And they slowly, they are overcoming that also. So next week, during 15 days time, they are coming and saying, I slowly controlled my anger, ma'am. So now I am so easy in taking things, everything. So they are coming and saying all these.
When WOW came into our school and when this project was first initiated, and we had a discussion among ourselves how to take it forward to the children. And when Ma'am Principal, Dr. Gayatri Ramachandran, when she had a discussion with all of us, she said, definitely it's a very beautiful, nice project and don't worry, we would hold your hands. And the author, Mrs. Megha Bajaj, would be coming and giving you all the adequate training how to take it forward. She would be giving you all sorts of support. And she proved, Mrs. Megha Bajaj proved it. She came and we had heard about her already, but we met her in person, and she was so jovial, friendly, and she made it very easy for us to make these WOW sessions lively.
Children are enjoying each and every session because for them it is like fun activity. Their imagination power and their thinking power is increasing. They can write their own answers. For example, in 3rd standard, there is a lesson session about aliens. So what if they go to Jupiter or Mars or Saturn? How will be the surroundings there? What they will do there? So these are all fun sections. They are just imagining. So the imagination power is increasing. Their thinking power is increasing.